Porsche Cayenne S. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. Your sound decibels. Again. You guys can see it's very, very quiet. Again. It's not even reaching 90. Again. Right at 90. One more. I'll let you guys hear it after. 2017 Porsche Cayenne S. Really beautiful V8 car, as you guys can see. V8 motor, got 4 converters. 2 down there, 2 up there, 1 there, and 1 there, and 1 there, and 1 there. Then what it usually comes is no vibrance in the middle or anything. Usually this H pipe is over here. So we moved it forward for better exhaust scavenge. Put 2 vibrants in the middle. Then continued the original piping out the back. Then we also put 2 more vibrants in the back, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, there and there. And there's the part number 1794. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then we put some fat 4-inch quad tips out the back, just to complete the look, make it look sexy, as you guys can see right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. There's the original muffler that came on it. That thing is huge. As you guys can see, we took all that off and replaced it with this beautiful piece of art. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff you guys. 2011 spicy Porsche Cayenne S. Beautiful car. If you look at it in person, man, it looks like an 18 or a 19. Really clean. Well, we got done on it. Still got factory converters there and there. Those are the secondaries. Got primaries up there somewhere. Then it comes true dual already from the factory with a factory H pipe right there. Then 2 1/4 pipe out the back. And what we put on it for you guys and girls is 2 MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKs there and there. There's the part number 10415. There'll be a link in the description. And then we finished it off with quad tips, ovals, really beautiful. As you guys can see, we'll see if we can get you a link in the description for those also. We'll match them up as much as we can. There and there. There's the gigantic muffler we cut off. And there's him supplying the shirt, enjoying it. There's the tips, the massive muffler. And like always, guys, if you like our work, make sure you subscribe. And if you really like it, share, because sharing is caring. Ooh. Porsche Cayenne. Here's sound decibels. Much better. Again. Right at 108. Again. Yeah, that sounds sexy. If you guys have a Porsche, bring it to us. We'll make it sound good for you. What do you think? Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. When it's under load, it's going to sound even better. Yeah, those black. I'm glad you went with the black chrome, man. That looks really nice. Yeah, it just completes the exotic look. Very nice. That sounds good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. And then that is black chrome, guys, by the way. You guys see that? That's sexy. Oh, wow. That sounds beautiful. Isn't that thing firm? It's clean. There's sound decibels. 95. That sounds so good. Go ahead and back it up. I'd be disappointed if you don't. Porsche Cayenne S. Now she's all pepper, bro. Now the name fits it. vibrant system with quad tips. Let's see what this Porsche's got. Porsche Cayenne. Peppa, baby. It came out really beautiful. Look, you can see the side of the tip. Look at that. That's so clean. I like it. That sounds so good. He's smooth. Hope you guys like it.